For today's homemade Chinese recipe, the main ingredient is the American eggplant. Yes, that's right. I am going to share how to cook a typical American produce the Chinese way. Hello, welcome to the Ingredient Channel, where I share easy to follow homemade Chinese recipes. Ingredients play a fundamental role in cooking. They are the building blocks of any dish and have a significant impact on the final taste, texture, and overall quality of the food. Diced eggplant stir fry is one of my favorite dishes. However, when I just moved to the United States, I had trouble finding the round Chinese eggplant for this recipe. Instead, it is rather easy to spot the American eggplant in grocery stores, which shares a very similar look. After failing for several times, I finally figured out some tricks to recreate the taste of the dish using the American eggplant. First, discard the hard and dark end. Then peel the skin. This step is super important as the skin of American eggplant is hard and bitter. I certainly learned it the very bitter way. Let's dice the eggplant, slice into 1 centimeter thick pieces. Pile half of the slices together. Cut into 1 centimeter wide blocks. Then dice them into cubes. Soak the diced eggplant in water, add 1 teaspoon of salt, mix a few times. Set aside for 10 minutes. Mince 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. Pick the large garlic cloves. Cut 1 scallion. For the sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon soybean paste, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, mix well. Drain the eggplant, squeeze them as hard as you can. 5 to 6 tablespoons of cooking oil in a heated pan. Stir fry the eggplants until it gets very soft. And easy to cut through. This takes some time, so be patient and drop your heat level to medium. Once the cubes are all very soft, Scoop them out. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to the same pan. No need to wash the pan. It looks a bit messy, but really does not matter. The taste is the same. Why not save time and effort? Stir fry 2 ounces of ground beef. Add a third of the minced garlic. Stir fry until the beef turns brown. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Mix a few more times. Add the eggplant back. Stir fry. One teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of 5 spices, half of the minced garlic, add in the sauce. One teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Stir fry. Add some salt as needed. Mix a few more times. Add in the rest of the garlic and scallion. Serve. The eggplant is soft but not soggy, full of beef flavor. Super delicious. By the way, if you want to turn this into a vegetarian dish, just replace the beef with 1 more tablespoon of cooking oil and use mushroom sauce instead of oyster sauce. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks, and see you next time.